My brothers and sisters in Islam, let me just teach you this. There was a companion, radiyallahu anhu. This hadith is in Sahih al-Bukhari. Every time he used to lead the companions in salat, he would read Surah Al-Fatiha, and then he would read a surah, and then after it he would read Qul Huwa Allahu Ahad. He'll read Qul Huwa Allahu Ahad. And he does this every single rak'ah, every single prayer. Fatiha, a surah, and he follows it up with Surah Al-Ikhlas. Qul Huwa Allahu Ahad, Allahu Samad, Lam Yalid wa Lam Yulad, wa Lam Yakul Lahu Kufuwan Ahad. So the companions began to become disturbed by this. Or let's say they were confused. What is this companion doing? Every time he reads a surah after the Fatiha, he concludes it with Surah Al-Ikhlas. So they went to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam and they said to him, Ya Rasulullah, this companion is doing such and such a thing. فالنبي صلى الله عليه وسلم said to the companions, سألوه لأي شيء يصنع ذلك. Go back to him and ask him, why is he doing that? Why does he do that? So they went and they asked him, and he said, إنها صفة الرحمن وأحب أن أقرأ بها. Because it is a surah that describes Ar-Rahman. It describes the most merciful Allah, and I love to read this surah. فالنبي صلى الله عليه وسلم was told this. And listen to how Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam responded. He said to the companions, go back to him and say to him, أخبروه, go inform him right now, أن الله يحبه, that Allah Azza wa Jal loves him. Allahu Akbar. My brothers and sisters in Islam, you know why I shared this hadith with you? Because this companion earned the love of Allah through one name of Allah, which is Ar-Rahman. One name. Enter, my brother and sister in Islam, let's speak about you. What name has brought you close to Allah? What name of Allah has made you fall in love with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? What name of Allah has earned you Allah's love and pleasure? This companion, just Surah Al-Ikhlas, words, one line, two lines of the Qur'an. It earned him Allah's love because he truly loved the quality of Allah, the name of Allah, Ar-Rahman. My brothers and sisters in Islam, wallahi, have good news. That if you love Allah's name Ar-Rahman, and you hope for it, and you live your life as though bi-idhnillah, yes, of course, Allah is going to give me His mercy. Then all good news for you, bi-idhnillah ta'ala, you'll see Allah Azza wa Jal's mercy. Walk on earth, feeling Allah's mercy upon you. No matter what happens, no matter what situation you're in, Shaitan is going to distract you, but you remain steadfast. And love this name. That's why we're reading it more than 17 times a day in our salat. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. We're reading it so that it can be engraved in our hearts. How many years have we read Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim? And until now, you don't believe Allah has mercy upon you? How can that be? How can that be? Is your tongue disconnected from your heart? Allah Azza wa Jal created you as one whole body. The tongue is He, the heart is He. What you say in your tongue, you must accept in your heart. If it's good, from the names of Allah, Ar-Rahman, accept it. This companion earned Allah's love because he loved the name of Allah, Ar-Rahman. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, my brothers and sisters in Islam, search in the Qur'an, search through the names and attributes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. See which one is going to touch your heart, which one are you going to love so that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can love you for it.